Okay, so practice problem number 10. Luis received 8,400 Philippine pesos from his father abroad. How many US dollars is this equivalent to? Given 8,400 Philippine pesos required amount in US dollars. Solution: 8,400 Philippine pesos times 1 US dollar over 56 Philippine pesos. So, 8,400 divided by 56 is 150 US dollars. Number 11. Convert 100 US dollars to euros. So, given 100 US dollar and knowing that 1 euro is 1.10 US dollars, required amount in euro. So, solution: 100 US dollars times 1 euro over 1.10 US dollar. Cancel the US dollar. So you have 100 divided by 1.10. The final answer is 9 euros, 90 euros and 91 cents. Number 12. How many pesos is 200 euros? So we're given 200 euros. And 1 euro is equal to 1.1 US dollar. 1 US dollar is 56 Philippine peso. So, we are asked to determine the amount in Philippine peso. So, convert the euro to dollar. So, you have 200 euros times 1.1 US dollar over 1 euro. That is 220 US dollars. And then convert the US dollar to Philippine pesos. 220 US dollar times 56 Philippine peso over 1 US dollar, the answer is 12,320 pesos. Practice problem number 13. Pedro has 22,400 Philippine pesos. First, convert it to US dollar, then to euros. And then, given 22,400 Philippine pesos, 1 US dollar is 56 pesos, 1 euro is 1.1 US dollar. Given the amount in US dollar and in euro. So, I required. And solution, so you have US dollar, 22,400 pesos multiplied by 1 US dollar over 56 Philippine pesos. The answer is 400 US dollars. And then convert the US dollar to euros. So 400 US dollar times 1 euro over 1.1 US dollar. So, 400 over 1.1 euros. So, the final answer is 363.64 euros. And then number 14, a laptop costs 80,000 Japanese yen. How many pesos is this? So, given 80,000 Japanese yen is equal to 0.38 Philippine peso. Required amount in Philippine peso. Solution: 80,000 Japanese yen times 0.38 Philippine peso over 1 Japanese yen is equal to 80,000 times 0.38 Philippine peso. The answer is 30,400 pesos. Practice problem number 15. Rosa has 30,000 Philippine pesos. Convert it first to US dollar, then to euros. So we're given 30,000 Philippine pesos. 1 US dollar is 56 pesos. 1 euro is 1.1 US dollar. So required amount in US dollar and in euros. So solution, the US dollar. 30,000 pesos times 1 US dollar over 56 Philippine pesos. So you have 30,000 divided by 56 US dollar. So the answer is 535.71 US dollars. And then convert it to euros. So 535.71 times 1 euro over 1.1 US dollar. Cancel the US dollar and the answer is 487.01 euros. MCQ Quarter 2 Measurement and Geometry Lesson number 6 Solving Real Life Problems Through Currency Conversion. So, given exchange rates used unless otherwise stated, 1 US dollar, 56 Philippine pesos, 1 euro, 1.1 US dollars, 1 Japanese yen, 0.38 Philippine pesos. Number 1. Convert US dollars to Philippine pesos. A. 2,120 pesos. B. 2,240 pesos. C. 2,360 Philippine pesos. Letter D. 2,480 Philippine pesos. Number 2. How many US dollars is 5,600 Philippine pesos? A. 50 US dollars. B. 100 US dollars. C. 120 US dollars. D. 200 US dollars. Number 3. A watch costs 2,800 Philippine pesos. How much is this in US dollar? A. 40 US dollars. B. 45 US dollars. C. 50 US dollars. D. 55 US dollars. Number 4. Maria received 300 US dollars from abroad. How many pesos will she get? A. 15,600 pesos. B. 16,200 pesos. C. 16,800 pesos. D. 17,400 pesos. Number 5. A traveler has 22,400 Philippine pesos. How much is this in US dollars? A. 300 US dollar. B. 350 US dollars. C. 400 US dollars. D. 450 US dollars. Number 6. One bought a cell phone online for 200 US dollars. How much did it cost him in pesos? A. 10,600 Philippine pesos. B. 11,200 Philippine pesos. C. 11,800 pesos. D. 12,200 pesos. Number 7. Anna wants to buy a bag priced at 5,600 Philippine pesos. How many US dollars should she pay? A. 80 US dollars. B. 90 US dollars. C. 95 US dollars. D. 100 US dollars. Number 8. A tourist exchanged 28,000 Philippine pesos into US dollars. How many dollars did he receive? A. 400 US dollars. B. 450 US dollars. C. 500. D. 550, all in dollars. Number 9. A book costs $400. How many pesos is the book worth? A. 2,120. B. 2,240. C. 2,320. D. 2,400. All in pesos. Number 10. Luis received 7,280 Philippine pesos from his aunt abroad. How many US dollars is this equivalent to? A. 120, B. 130, C. 140, D. 150, all in US dollars. Number 11. Convert 220 US dollars to euros. A. 190, B. 195, C. 200, D. 205 euros. Number 12. How many pesos is 250 euros? A. 14,800, B. 15,200, C. 15,400, D. 15,600. All in Philippine pesos. Number 13. Pedro has 16,800 Philippine pesos. First, convert it to US dollars, then to euros. A. 270, B. 280, C. 290, D. 300, all in euros. Number 14. A camera costs 100,000 Japanese yen. How many pesos is this? A. 37,800, B. 38,000, C. 38,200, D. 38,400, all in Philippine pesos. Number 15. Rosa has 33,600 Philippine pesos. Convert it first to US dollars, then to euros. A. 540, B. 545, C. 550, D. 555, all in euros. Answer key for Quarter 2 MG Lesson 6, Solving Real-Life Problems Through Currency Conversion is as follows. Number 1, B. 2,240 pesos. Number 2, B. 100 US dollars. Number 3, C. 50 US dollars. Number 4, C. 16,800 pesos. Number 5, C. 400 US dollars. Number 6, B. 11,200 pesos. 7, D. 100 US dollars. Number 8, C. 500 US dollars. 9, B. 2,400 pesos. 10, B. 130 US dollars. Number 11, C. 200 euros. 12, C. 15,400 pesos. 13, A. 270 euros. Letter number 14, B. 38,000 pesos. 15, B. 545 euros. Danires. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. Bye-bye. See you in our next lesson. Thank you, everyone.